There are 7 cervical vertebrae in the spine, so let's take a look at a typical cervical vertebra related to a thoracic or lumbar vertebra. And this only applies to C3 through 7. The first and second cervical vertebra will be covered in a separate video. The first thing to notice is that the body of the cervical vertebra is much smaller than the body of the thoracic vertebra or the body of the lumbar vertebra. They also have a much larger vertebral foramen, especially compared to the lumbar vertebra. Another unique feature of a cervical vertebra is the bifid spinous process. They also have 2 structures, one on each side, called a transverse foramen. This is for the vertebral artery and vertebral vein. One on each side, 2 transverse foramen. So let's point out a few of the basic structures of a typical cervical. Right now, I'm looking at an S to I view. This is my anterior side, and this is my posterior side. Here's our vertebral body of the cervical spine. This is our vertebral foramen for the spinal cord. And the vertebral foramen is created by 2 structures, the short pedicle from here to here, and the larger lamina from here to here. The 2 lamina meet to form the spinous process, and in this example, there's a bifid spinous process. We also have large transverse processes, which contain that special structure for the vertebral artery and vein. If I change my view, we can take a better look at the superior and inferior articular facets. These are important because we need to connect each vertebra to the one above and below. So there's our inferior articular facet.